Run around, got a lot fools. And I still got the crown like a bad tooth. I am cool, I don't gotta act cool. Just follow where I lead you, pack mule. Blowing through the budget, the cash ain't nothing. The way I flip bags, straight tens for the
Good morning, we have a packed day today. I'm gonna bring you with me all day today. First off, we're gonna go meet my buddy Mike for coffee and talk about short-term rentals. Next, we're gonna go tour a property. And then we're gonna go check out the Avenue Towers in Bellevue. We got a lot to do. Let's go.
I'm actually smooth, it's far too easy. Word on the streets, I make it look easy. Easy. Word on the streets, I make it look easy.
All right, guys, Kirkland's best builder, Blake Lance in the house here. Blake, how are we?
Good, how are you?
We're at Zoka. This is where you see everyone in Kirkland and the day starts. See Blake almost every day here.
Every day.
All right, so Airbnbs.
Yeah, man. We've been
How long you been in that business?
probably before Airbnb was a business. We were on HomeAway and all that stuff. You know, it's got to be 15 years that we've kind of known about it, but as a management company, about 4 years.
What do you look for in a home or a deal to make it a great Airbnb for a client?
Yeah, I mean, the obvious thing is like the area that you go in, like city restrictions, right? Does the city want you there? How many hoops do you have to jump through? And for the most part, you can, you know, if you find the right area, you can be successful if you follow the rules of the city.
Yeah.
But finding a good place that sleeps enough people and has the amenities people want. Like this has become an amenity-focused business.
Yeah.
So, you know, people want what a hotel would have, essentially. You know.
Well, buddy, you got a busy day.
Yeah, man.
It's good to see you.
Yeah.
Let's hug it out.
Thanks, brother. Yeah. Always good. We got to talk about my next rental.
100%. I'm ready.
Cool.
Let's go.
Right.
We'll talk soon. We're gonna go in the office. We got a quick team meeting. This is my director of marketing, Caden. He's here. We're gonna pop on a quick team meeting. Hey, good stuff coming up though. We've got, we're gonna check on Mercer Island today. We have buyers this morning checking out a condo up the road.
I'm thrilled. I can't wait.
Okay, so we're gonna head up and do this showing now. Thanks for hopping on.
Absolutely, man. Thanks so much.
Good morning, Sam. How are you? Good to see you.
Good.
Guys, this is Sam. She's the lead of our office here in Kirkland. The best, behind the scenes, makes everything happen. So we're super grateful for you. So this is a brand new build here in Kirkland, a 10-unit complex. It was actually a 1 down, 10 up. This is the last one available. Hey guys, how are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
See you.
Good to see you. Let's go take a look. And I think for you guys, what works well with this unit is the ground floor bedroom, which could be an office, and then the fact that all the bedrooms have an ensuite bath.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, well, let's go take a look. And then look at this, a beverage fridge.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, built-in beverage. So this thing is loaded. And then how would your furniture fit? Do you think it would work well?
We'll need new furniture.
And that's part of the fun of buying a new house is the new furniture. You got to do it. You got to do new furniture. Absolutely. All right, now that this showing's done, we're gonna head to the waterfront, check on a condo that just got cleaned, ready for turnover tomorrow. So we're about to pull into a waterfront condo, but I wanna make sure everything is looking good. So the strategy with this condo was, it was a 2-bedroom condo. We went on market, we didn't get an offer. And the thought was, hey, do we either price drop or do we make an improvement? And we went with the plan of making it a 3-bedroom, which is much more marketable than a 2-bedroom here in Kirkland. The bids actually to put this wall in, electrical, permits, everything, was right about $17,000. We finished that and we took on an offer in 4 days. This is fun. I just got a text from my buddy Jordy, 425 Magazine. I guess I am the member spotlight today for the Kirkland Chamber of Commerce. How about that? We're gonna do a quick stop here at the Kirkland Bakery, right downtown Kirkland. I'm picking up a couple treats. One for Igor, my stylist, who's about to give me a haircut right up the road. And then the other one is for Melissa, who's gonna give us a tour of the brand new Avenue building downtown Bellevue right after this. Let's go. So right now, I'm not having any of this right now. I'm doing this, it's called 75 hard. I'm not trying to brag, but it was a big thing for me to take on. But these are my favorite pastries in all of Kirkland. These almond croissants are absolutely ridiculous. Rum soaked, double coated, they bake them, they're insane. Almond croissants to go. All right, we're at my guy Igor's salon here. Let's go get my haircut.
This camera work good. Oh, you got a mic too?
Oh yeah. Igor's been doing my hair for almost 10 years now. He's my stylist. People ask me like, who does your haircut? It's my stylist. Closer to like a 165.
All the best deals at the trip, baby.
But yeah, like.
But did you guys know that this guy was an ex-professional skier? Did you guys know that? This guy was a professional pro.
It was
Not a
the
pro,
80s.
I got a professionale.
So Mexico though, Mexico was good.
Yeah, Mexico is always good, you know?
Yeah.
When you here every day in the great Pacific Northwest, you know, it's kind of nice to do escape. We're gonna make you look good so you can feel good, and whenever you feel good, well, you perform good. Is that right, man?
You win, that's for sure.
You win.
Oh, this guy.
Dude, you got the full servers, baby.
Look at this guy.
Bro, Mr. Hopper, this baby.
All right, we're here at the Avenue Towers building. This is the highest price point per square foot of any vertically integrated community here in the Pacific Northwest.
Hi.
You look so pretty.
Thanks. Look at your haircut.
You like it?
Yeah. Good to see you. It's been a while, huh?
All right, so this is Melissa Camp. She's the director of sales here at Avenue. And my beautiful bride, Nicole Hopper Interiors. Melissa, this is for you. So this is Kirkland's best almond croissants.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
This is a special treat for you, but thank you for taking the time.
So the project, it's 2 towers. We sit on top of covered parking. There's 85,000 square feet of retail space.
That was shocking. Oh, wow, I like this.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah, because it sets your living back from the hall.
Right.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
First.
Oh, totally.
The first space.
Yep. All right, let's go look at the primary bedroom. What do you think, Nicole?
I really like the closet pass through to the bathroom.
This feels like I'm in a hotel, like presidential suite.
Yeah.
So Melissa, 38 units sold so far.
Have close, yes.
Have closed, so it's got to be fun to see the building really coming to life.
Yeah.
People coming in and out. They're doing their daily life right here at Avenue.
Absolutely, and with the retail getting activated, being able to walk over to Bell Square or the grocery store, it's very active.
All right, so Avenue is built here, they say it's above the Intercontinental Hotel. It's the only Intercontinental Hotel in Washington State. And how they did it, you can see where the hotel changes to condos, is look at the balconies. See where they have no glass to glass. So once they go to glass, that's where the owned units start for the condos. Okay, I love you. So we are here at my newest upcoming listing on Mercer Island, north end of the island. This is a spot to be. It's a brand new house, over 4,000 square feet. We're having it shot right now. I haven't been in since staging went in, so I'm super excited to see that. The yard just got redone. Let's go look around. But really the style of furniture, this is super contemporary, trending, cozy. I really think it makes this space feel grand with how they spread them out like this. Look at this, a hidden pantry. How fun is that? So this is my photographer, Amaryllis. We've been shooting together for almost 10 years, right?
Crazy.
At least.
Yeah.
And right now we are shooting the Matterport. So what this is this is actually the walkthrough where you can click through, and you guys have seen it out there, called Matterport. You click through the whole home. Really a neat tool. We like to send these to out-of-state buyers. It's a great tool to get them through the home virtually. And if you put on the goggles, it really comes to life.
Oh yeah, VR.
Yeah, VR, baby, VR. This is the media room. Look at this. So this is actually a built-in bar with a 3 quartz countertop, built-in AV cab. And it's really fun because it's dual-sided seating. So you can have conversations here. You could just sit on this side and watch a movie. I love it. Man, I'll tell you what, the inside of the home looks so good though. It looks amazing.
So it's all staged and everything.
Oh dude, yeah, we're ready to go.
So cool to see it.
So it's been a full day, a very productive day. Time for dinner with my beautiful wife, Nicole, at our favorite Italian restaurant in Kirkland on the water, Como, where we're gonna have a fun, relaxing evening together. If you like this content and you wanna see more of this day in the lifestyle, go ahead and subscribe below and let me know in the comments what you think. And thanks for watching.